Yeah. Sorry guys, I DC'd. I know I'm back on Twitch. I'm still trying to go back on YouTube because, you know, for some reason, stream cuts off. So I have to like reset everything and I have to start a new stream. It's just a pain in the butt. It's weird. Left Ticket, what is up? Thank you for subbing, bro. Let's get this show on the road, man. Let's get this started here. There we go. Hi, Alex. How's it going, man? Thank you very much for the thumbnails. By the way, guys, Alex has been awesome and supplying us great thumbnails for this channel. Go check him out. He streams on Twitch. I'm not sure if he has a YouTube channel, but he might. Alex HD with his awesome thumbnail support. And yeah, definitely go show his channel a like and give him a sub, right? Or follow on Twitch. Apostolic Mind, what is up, dude? We dropped everyone. I mean, I'm not liking this thing when, for some reason, YouTube, it disconnects me. Like when my OBS goes down for a second, YouTube automatically disconnects it and the stream. Before, it didn't used to be like that. It used to be able that any kind of disconnect would wait, and then, you know, when the stream came back, it will follow on the same stream. For some reason, it's just not doing that anymore, and it's a pain in the butt because I've been getting disconnections almost every day, which is weird. I have to talk to my ISP, see what they're doing there. No, it wasn't YouTube, though. It was my internet connection. Actually, it told me I had no internet connection, then came back in. It was really weird. Anyways, Bitcoin trying to find support at 55,406. Again, I'm not sure if it's really going to crash right now. Title was a little bit clickbaity. I do believe we're going to try to hold support at this level. If not, maybe 54,203. But I really doubt we're going to break below 50,000. We might wick lower, but I don't think we're going to be doing anything low there for a long time. Hopefully, that's going to be the case, and we can continue or moving up, right? So. Madison, what's up? Yo, awesome. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. And thanks for the good wishes. And correct, come back for the King and Queen coin. Yeah. Excellent. Thank you very much for being here. Madison, and kind words of support. Let's roll. The crypto cards. Sure, man. So this is where we're starting. I'm going to go back to Bitcoin real quick and start it off at the beginning because, you know, it's just weird where we left off. Nicholas B, it could be, man. It could be, right? Again, bearish divergence here on the daily, action down, so it started to drop. Still trying to hold on support. Still above that 20 moving average, which again is fine. 55,123. We're still above 54,000. We're flirting with that line right now. Neutral. 47.78. Again, we could still go down a little bit. Hopefully try to find support here. We don't have anything bullish, though, to push us higher, right? So we could crash. Really don't want to say we're going to crash that low. But even if we come to the same level, and this is going to be painful to see at 48,000, I really don't want it to be there. It could be that we make less negative momentum and then create some strong bullish divergence for the movement up. We're going to see. Montero, what's up? Another roller coaster ride, yes. Let's go here. Yeah, you're right. We could say we had a rising wedge of sorts, right? We could even draw it like this. Rising wedge, bringing the downside. Should be expecting to get a measure move off the wedge on a first move. We wicked it already, so we could be done with that move, right? For all purposes of this. So yeah, rising wedge. Nice, breaking down. I'm gonna try to recover. Again, nothing bullish. I really wish we had something bullish here to help us rally. On that note, here again, bearish divergence, action downside. Hidden bullish help us pump, created that bearish strong, and move down on that. Short term, nothing bullish. Breaking below 55,406. Not good. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 38.50. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Link, sure. Let's see what else. Instead of crypto, Elon, sure, man. Elon 1, sure. Sorry, man, I didn't see that one first. So Elon 1. I'll try to do that before link. I'll fix it here on the chart also. Ooh, crazy. That was a quick sneeze. Yeah. Right. So, 1 hour chart moved down briefly below that 55,000. Try to hold support right now at the same area. Could we be doing a double bottom? Yeah, maybe. I mean, could be that we're going to do a small time double bottom. Not yet determined. I mean, it could be that it's kind of fake move and we drop even more. 1, 2, 3, potential 3 falling peaks formation. Not the best looking 3 falling peaks, but it could be there, man. Right? Neo, sure, man. Anyways, now we're on this move. We will be making strong bullish divergence, right? The move's lower again. This hour, I would really just wait for it to finish before I actually call this. But right now, what we have is we're starting to develop some strong bullish divergence. That is what's here. Right? How is that? Well, from here to here and from here to here, right? And from there to there, right? So awesome. We are sold at 34.25. So again, sold, bullish divergence strong, potential for action to the upside. We're still not pointing up here on the RSI. We're still pointing down, so it's something we're going to have to watch out for, right? I'm going to see that the RSI started to do a U-turn of sorts, but that's it for Bitcoin right now. Ethereum did manage to hold on okay yesterday. It did manage to finish positive with his spinning top candle. It was doing so good, man, at 4,000. Yeah, it was not lucky that we ended up closing below 4K. Closing above 4K would have been bullish. Below 4K, a bit more susceptible for that move down. But still, we're gonna try to find support at 3,797. That's where we have that 3618. Again, that bearish divergence that we have is strong, and it is what's putting that pressure on the price to go down. We are bought at 76.44. Is it the beginning of the bear market? No, not yet. I don't think it's the beginning of the bear market, man. J Money Gaming, howdy. Stay safe, MA. Good luck with the severe storm. No, in regulation, it'll probably just be in the US. So the rest of the world, we'll see, right? I mean, the US is the biggest, or one of the biggest, I would say, crypto markets, and this is where it would affect the most. But the rest of the world will still have its own stuff going on. So we'll see how regulation is going to work. Again, if you haven't done it, we're lacking on the likes, guys. Hit them likes, them bells, and them subs, right? Again, overbought at 76.68. Again, bearish divergence, potential for action downside, starting to move down. Not too crazy. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On that 4-hour chart, we were looking for the bearish divergence here. We dropped on that move here. We created more strong bearish divergence for potential action downside. Look at that. I'll just keep this here on the 4-hour chart and keep on rolling. Sideways motion, low to high, negative, less negative, and low, lower. All right, some hidden bullish here against the RSI. And the question is this hidden bullish going to give us some action to the upside, right? Is it going to help us go up? I mean, Ethereum is extremely bullish. It has not really been caring a lot about Victor Miller's back. Victor, I haven't seen you in a long time. You're my favorite James Bond villain. And for some reason, you have an English accent. I'm not sure why. When I see your name, it just reminds me of that. 3,859. Again, it's just bearish, action downside, hidden bullish. Try to find support at that 20. We might even still have that hidden bullish here if we hit that 3,618. So not too crazy right now. And again, Ethereum has been running a hidden bullish. So Ethereum is really bullish. I wouldn't really mind where Ethereum goes, and particularly because it might still pump a little bit. Neutral at 53.60. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, Ethereum is super expensive right now. I know. It chucks. It chucks. Bearish divergence, action downside. We broke down on that. Look at that, going lower. Low to high. Negative, more negative, hidden bullish. Also on the 1 hour chart. Look at that. Every time we do hidden bullish, we pump. So let's see if we're going to keep on going with that. If we stop pumping on hidden bullish, yeah, we could be short-term bearish on Ethereum. We also have it against the RSI here. Again, potential for action to upside. You've been lurking, just missing the streams. Is ADA a good buy here? I'm not sure. We haven't done ADA yet. It's going to be ADA, then Binance, then the Litecoin. Yeah, it's on the list, man, already, so no need to queue it up. This is going to take me a bit to get to it, right? Again, bullish. There's potential rally coming in. If a movement up, the 20 moving average would be a primary target. That would be at 4,046. If we see a rejection there, it might be a good short-term sell for Ethereum, at least until we try to reclaim that 20. Because a rejection at that 20 could lead us to go lower, potentially. Again, just be careful with your Ethereum. Sold at 39.59. Let's go check out ADA. At $1.61. Higher, higher, and higher. Nothing bearish. We are bought at 61 on the dot. Going down, rejecting here. The 1618. I doubt we're actually rejecting that zone. Let's go to the 4 hour. We got very close to it. See, we didn't actually spike above it. Bearish divergence we still had, and we're moving down to that. Low to high, negative, more negative, and lower. Again, ADA hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence. I think I might have forgotten on Ethereum to anchor on the 1 hour chart. That's gonna be bad. I'm gonna have to go back to it. Hidden bullish, potential for action to upside. We would hit that 20. What really hit it on this 4 hour chart? We're rejecting it. We're really gonna have to get above that 20 if we want to go on bullish again. But yeah, that hidden divergence is there. Neutral 46.04. Again, potential for stagnation if we don't go up, right? On the 4 hour chart, sorry, on the 1 hour chart, coming lower, more negative, and a lower still. On the short term, strong bullish divergence on this last move. With that possibility for action to the upside, right? Again, on the 4 hour, again, remember, hidden divergence. Hidden divergence finicky. You can still drop more and until you lose it, because hidden divergence is not a for sure thing. Strong divergence is a little bit more likely to play out. It has a better possibility. So again, waiting for this divergence to really come in here and start moving the market up. Again, same target, the 20 moving average at $1.70 right now, sitting at $1.61. It's not too bad for ADA, actually. That being said, ADA, cool. Let's go check out. Oh, so someone said something about ADA, yeah. Is that a good buy? I would say it's risky buy. It's just going to depend on what the market does. If Bitcoin keeps on going down, ADA's not likely going to go higher, man. We might see some pain on crypto in general. So you got to figure out first whether or not Bitcoin's going to drop more. And we still got a couple minutes to go before I actually close the candle. So we're going to wait for that. We could revisit Cardano and Bitcoin right after that happens. Let's go to Binance. Binance is $638.89. Again, bearish divergence, action downside. We broke down on that. That's fine. Again, we're looking for bearish divergence here on the daily. Remember what I said? If we go lower, we no longer have it. We kind of lost it. So we're looking for that bearish divergence. We don't have it. We had it here, strong bearish, moving us down, but really fell into drop. We're just consolidating sideways. Not really worried about Binance. We are neutral at 59.09 and above that 20 moving average at $597.34. 4 hour chart. Echo Tour, what's up, man? Brent, what is up? What's critical support for Litecoin? That's a good question. When I get to Litecoin, we'll talk about it. Let's go here and here, right? Bearish divergence, strong action downside, starting to move down, low to high, negative, less negative, and lower. All right, some hidden bullish. And this seems to be a recurring pattern across a couple of coins now, right? Cardano had it, Ethereum had it, right? Now, No, Binance has it also. Neutral 44.99. Let's go on that 1 hour. Bearish divergence for potential action downside. We did go down a bit. Pumped, created more of that bearish divergence. It's still there, right? It's still there. It's still there. Again, we really broke down, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Short term, nothing here that is bullish. This is even slightly higher than the previous low. So we're trying to recover. Might go for that 20, along with some of the other projects that look like they want to recover. We are neutral. We're sold at 39.79. Again, not the strongest looking right now. Not the strongest looking. It could be like that we're just taking a small break before we keep on moving, right? That's going to be for Binance. Before I move on to something else, I just want to make sure that on Ethereum, I didn't screw up and leave things on the 1 hour that should be on the other time scales. I think I might have. Yep, see? When we revisit, it was going to be nasty. It's going to be nasty. Make no sense where it's at, man. Yeah, fix it now. Let's get into that Litecoin. So we do need to watch the crash of crypto sometimes. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Let's go to Litecoin. So we didn't have anything here. We kind of lost whatever bearishness we were looking for. We're pulling back because the rest of the market is pulling down. Broke below that 1618, but we're still breaking below the previous high here. And Bitcoin's crossing 54,790. Bitcoin don't crash. Anyways, we are bought at 63.15 4-hour chart. Again, I think it's just sometimes what's happening right now, it just feels like the Bitcoin maximalist is like, oh, Ethereum's doing better than us. Let's just freaking crash the market. Sell until we crash it and Ethereum goes down in price. I'm not sure. That's like a picture that comes to mind. Like the max is like, pooping their pants. Be like, no, sell Ethereum. Sell it, I tell you. Something like that. And it's just weird. My mind goes nuts sometimes. Right, so hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside on Litecoin, also on the 4-hour chart, like the other projects. So again, we're seeing some kind of pattern here repeating itself. Still starting to make that negative momentum. No sign of stopping yet. Neutral 46.55. Again, with that potential for action to the upside, we're gonna hit this area. 259.38. Then above there we have another 1618, I think, right there at the, or sorry, something else in the larger time. So I think this is a 1618. 363. So those are targets, right? Nothing bearish. Let's go to 1 hour. So I already had that strong bearish before, by the way. Here there was nothing bearish. We're crashing down with the rest of the market. Now we're gonna be creating some hidden bullish. That's gonna be good. Gonna be good, man. Right, that hidden bullish. Look at that. Boom, boom, and bam, blam. Oh, that corn trying to get above that level again. This is gonna be bipping. Today, when I heard that bip for the first time, I was like, oh no. Because I wasn't even looking at the charts. I was like just, working on other stuff. And that beep plays, and I'm like, oh snaps. I don't want to open up the charts. Like my first thought is like, I don't want to see the bloodbath. I knew we're probably going to be hitting so low, dude, by the time that happened. Anyways. Sold at 37.28. Again, hidden bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside. We've seen this a couple projects, right? So, again, hidden bullish. Let's see if it's going to play it to the upside. We are sold at 37.13. Someone said something about Litecoin. Support. Well, the support for Litecoin. Let's go on the daily. Next support down here at 308. If we drop fast, there's not a lot of support at this level. I'm gonna explain to you why on the daily. There's pretty much a quick shot up here. The only place we might try to find support, probably somewhere around here, 344. I'm not gonna be putting a lot of weight on the support. Could it hold? Yes. Could it hold maybe down here? We wicked a couple times, 1, 2, 3 times at least. 333. It could be, right? It could be. Ethereum's gonna crash soon as a state of crypto. Yeah, we're looking at that, man. Hopefully not. It has some hidden divergence. I'm praying that the hidden divergence plays across all cryptos because a lot of projects have them. We'll see. Hi, Card Jesus. What is up? Thank you for being here. Favorite perma bear. You went away the day after Ethereum pump, bro. I was worried about you. I was worried about you because you always come in here saying Ethereum's going to go down. And market's going to crash. But the day the market goes up, you stop coming in, or at least you stop chatting. So I wasn't sure if we were here or not. But I was hoping that you were fine. SRM 8.5, yeah. Echo Tour says that it's a high risk reward ratio, long incoming. Yeah, potentially, bro. Potentially, right? Again, now I'm waiting for something to hold, right, and not break. Again, Litecoin, not too bad. Next area, again, at 309. There's not a lot here. It could be very weak supports that we're looking for, and then the drop could be there, right? Yeah. It's when it should have sagged. Yeah, probably, man. Just don't be saggy. Let's 3 more minutes. Let's do RSR and then we'll recap Bitcoin, Ethereum, see where they closed, because that's gonna be important right now. Could set the trend. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Nothing bearish. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 43.93. Again, dropping with Bitcoin, just not pumping as strong as Bitcoin. Sitting at 7.45 cents. Again, I'm gonna be getting that for a long time now. High to low, low to high. Again, bearish divergence, action downside, moving lower, low, negative, less negative, lower. Here we do have islands of negative momentum, so I'm a little bit more hesitant because there's 2, 3 even. 1, 2, and then 3. This is a positive momentum island right there. Look at, I'll check it. Right there, it's positive. So I'm a little bit more hesitant and call that divergence here, right? That's it would be bullish, by the way. Strong bullish. But sold at 34.65. That's it for this. Again, I'm going to be a little bit more reserved. Bearish divergence came in. Moved us down. We knew that yesterday. On the daily, right? Bearish divergence yesterday also. Action to downside. Moving down. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Short term. Are we dropping? Yes. Are we making less negative momentum? Check. Strong bullish divergence. Is it going to play? I'm not sure. This hour's still not done. Worried about it, right? I'm worried about it. Whether or not this is going to hold. Next candle might undo it, right? And we also have it against the other side, but it's barely there, right? Barely there, man. Sold at 31.81. Again, not too bad. Just had an conversation with the cop about Dogecoin. Interesting. I'm not sure. The cop, like RoboCop, had a conversation with RoboCop about Doge. That's awesome. Recap. If Ethereum would really dump, yeah. Want to take a look at ETH down? Sure, man. Just add this to the crypto, dude. Hi, Card Jesus, dude. I've been like hooking up with the you know, looking at Ethereum down. Hook me up with something. Just add this to the crypto and say Ethereum down, and I'll put it on the list, right? Let's do that one. You do that for me, I'll check it out, right? Fade in this bull market, having any gains in 3 months. Oh, crypto say you might not be doing the proper coins. Stymie. This was 9K cup. K9 cup, yeah. Doggy coin. We're losing everything. Yeah. So because it's gonna pop. Yeah. Let's go here on the corn. Figure out where we close that hour. Oh snap, we did drop quite a bit more. We dropped quite a bit more, man. We doing some damage? Nope. I think we're gonna lose it here. 30.63. 31. Barely, man. Barely have this divergence. It is strong bullish in the 1 hour. Hold on to a Bitcoin because otherwise you're gonna get wrecked. There's nothing here that is bearish. Nothing here that is bullish now on the 4 hour, right? Bitcoin needs to perform. It was holding so good at that 54,400, man. It's just so sad that it dropped. Bitcoin is dropping 2.36%. Ethereum's dropping 3.33%. But you gotta remember, Ethereum has been a beast. It is losing that 20 moving average. I'm not liking that, at least in the 4 hour it's losing it. It's still tracking that hidden divergence for potential action to the upside on the 1 hour chart. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we're still trying to hold on to the 1618 with the hidden divergence, right? Hidden bullish. So let's hope that is the case. Again, Ethereum, I'm hoping Ethereum down. Sure, man, it's gonna go on the list, right? So it's on the list. I'm gonna update it. All right. Ooh, something happened. Ramen Man, thank you very much for the
Thank you very much.
Follow, man. All right, so that is saved. Now that request is going to go on that list that's scrolling out there on the top, right? It is the last coin that has been requested. I'll get to it. Hacker Jesus is going to give me time, right? Because I got to move through a lot of coins. RSR we finished. Up next DBT, and then it's just you're going to follow basically that list. That's how the coins start to be queued up. Ethereum trying to hold that support. Hopefully it will. Hopefully it'll go up. That's what I'm looking for, man. That pump happening here. Let's go check out the DVT, man. The DVT brought to you by... Kidding. Oh, 0.2131. It dropped a little bit. It either dropped or, it stayed the same and then Bitcoin dropped value, which I think I'm banking more on that option. Yeah, it stayed the same and Bitcoin dropped value. That's why it went down. Let's get this here on the dark mode. Dark mode. Let's get the MACD and the Aussie. RSI, right? Right on. So we're moving sideways. I'm not expecting to see a lot here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Still nothing here that I would like to say as bullish. Here, maybe we could just say, look, here we're moving sideways right on that bottom part at 3.8 sats. And then we're going low to high. Medium bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. But again, it's even doubtful because it's just so flat. Low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Again, not sure whether or not we're going to get it because we're just flatlining at that 3.9 sat mark. Let's go to the daily. High to low, low to high. We already talked about this divergence, right? It is hidden bearish divergence. Bearish divergence for action to the downside. It's moving us down. Now we're going flat again at 3.9. We've just been around this area for a long time. It's fine that we haven't lost. It's getting boring that it's just failing to move. Yes, this is a quick pop opportunity, but that's about it. Let's go to XLM. By Shiba Inu. That's crazy. I think Elongate got listed today. That's why it pumps so much. Someone asked about Elongate. No, it wasn't Elongate. It was Elon One. Or someone said something about Elongate, I think. That one supposedly got listed on a couple of exchanges, I think. So that's why it was rallying. We'll see. I believe it's scary. You put $10 in a coin called the Bro token and you cashed out 5,000. That is insane. Yeah, I mean, those are gambles, right? Those are gambles. You gotta basically put $10 into like a lot of small coins and hopefully you're gonna get a good payout someday. Carmine, no one's requested XRP. You can request it and we'll put it on the list. We haven't looked at it, so I can give you my thoughts. Eric Contreras, what happened right now? Well, trying to see if the market's gonna save itself or if it's gonna keep on crashing. It is struggling. Bitcoin, it is struggling, right? Bitcoin's struggling, and then we're seeing Ethereum trying to hold support. That's what's happening. That's what the name of the stream is. Crashing coming. I think we're gonna try to hold support, right? I'm not sure we're gonna get a massive crash right now. If we do get another crash, I would start to get a little bit worried, right? Because on the larger scheme of things, we'll be making a let's say we come down here again to this level. I would get worried, right? Anything like, I would say anything below 52K, I would get worried. Because then it's a high and then it's a lower high. And that could start to set up a trend of lower highs. And that puts us on a downtrend. I don't want to see that. Yeah, we've seen worst. The other thing that could happen here is that we start making a large triangle, right? That would be looking something like that, you know, maybe something like that, and that drop. You know, we might see some kind of consolidation happening. But again, right now it's too early to tell. We're hoping Bitcoin's going to hold and try to pump. That's it. Let's go to XLM. XLM on the daily. Again, bearish divergence, action downside. Moving down on that grid, it did pump quite a bit. I think this is a bad wick. I doubt it went that high. I'm going to have to check. We are bought at 60.29. Nothing else happening besides that strong bearish divergence, starting to put that pressure on the price, breaking the 65.18 cent resistance, or sorry, support. It's not going to become a resistance. We didn't go, well, we did go that high. Jeez. Where was I? Why wasn't I looking at the XLM? It went up to like 78 cents. Jesus. I should have cashed out. It was 3 in the morning. Oh, that's why I wasn't looking at it. I was like, why didn't I look at it? I was asleep. We're moving down to that. We are neutral at 48.90. That's it. Again. Let's go to that 1 hour, man. Remember, that's why DEXs are going to be the future, right? Willie. Well, why? Hola. That's why DEXs are going to be the future. Look, we had bearish divergence here when we were live. We did move down, found support at 65.18, and then we pumped. That was fine. So we did get that movement down that we were expecting to see. Now, rally, nothing bearish happening there, and now we're crashing, right? On that crash, on that fateful crash that we're seeing here, we have hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. I wonder if I missed this on the 4 hour. We don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 40.93. On the 4 hour chart, did I skip over that? No, we don't have it. That's great. Right, so XLM, not that bad. It's crashing quite a bit. Next support would be here at that 786 at 60.17. Let's figure out what's going to happen next. Let's go to DOT, man. Let's go to DOT. The only bad thing about DEXs sometimes is the exchange rate, like the fees to transfer monies in and out, right, and trade. That's what really makes them sometimes a lot less desirable than the actual exchange. At the state of Crypto Dash, I'm assuming you want Dash because I didn't get pinged because you just put it all together. Yeah, there we go, Will. Thank you, man. Anyways, divergence, potential action to upside on XLM. Let's go do DOT. Yeah, market's crazy, man, right? Market's crazy right now. We're seeing some action downside. It's not that bad. It's not the end of the world. Let's go DOT. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. I'm sorry, we're neutral. 47.60, and we're seeing at $36.37. Again, not too crazy for DOT. Again, probably dropping with Bitcoin. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, action downside. Failed to get it higher on the previous high. Thus continuation. Low to high, negative, more negative, low, lower. Right. Hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour chart. Hey, man, look at that. Sold at 35.52. That is it for this. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Cash, sure. Well, come on, leave room for other people, man. Low lower, negative or negative, low lower still. Neutral, sold at 42.21. Dude, I mean, we can do it if like no other requests come in, but you know, do try to save room for other ones as well. That's it for DOT. Again, bearishness moving lower, nothing bullish. Sold at 33.30. Trying to consolidate at this level. Above that 786, which is fine. Someone said Kishu. You have an issue? Here's a Kishu. I already made that joke. Kishu. It sounds like either you're sneezing or you need something. Can you please pass me a Kishu? Kishu. Dude, it's showing up as 0. Andrew, there's bearish divergence. That's the only thing I can tell you, but this looks horrible here. Let's go to that other exchange that we were brought to yesterday by someone that says, please, go look at this. So look at Kishu. I'm gonna have to open a new one here. Alex, what is up? Let the markets fall. You want more coin? Awesome, Alex. Thank you for being here, man.
Thank you very much.
And Binance is so much cheaper. Yes. Is he gonna be here? Shoot, sure. All right, so it's gonna be against BSC. I guess, yeah. Delv, what is up, bro? Thanks for being here. As it became listed, nice. You sold your ship for this. I thought you sold it for Elon 1, up 100% today. Alone what? Elon 1 or Kishu? Because Kishu's not loading, bro. Jeez, it's not loading. He's showing us flat. You get both? Awesome. Andrew, you're on a roll with this, meme coin picks, bro. You've been doing good with this ones. So what I'm noticing here, yeah, it pumped 100% here for sure. It says there 100%. It doesn't give me a value. That's what I'm struggling with, having no value attached to this. It is worthless. It has no value. I'm kidding. It's not worthless. Again, strong bearish divergence, potential for action downside. We did have hidden bullish before we got that rally, so not bad. How much fees you had to pay for this, right? You put 3 Ethereum into this one this morning? Oh, Jesus, bro. I mean, I'm glad it paid off for you, but high risk some, right? So you have 6 Ethereum now. That's awesome, bro. But you can do dollar. It's still struggling here. You paid 500, so you were able to transfer Ethereum onto this. That is insane, bro. I know it's high risk, high reward, dude. No, I'm just thinking like the fees are insane for this transfers, bro. That's crazy. 4 hours fine. You don't have anything bearish, and then the one daily, I don't think we're gonna have anything. It's quite a new project. You're just getting all into these new projects, bro.